wanna be bad. I'm a bad guy. So you do.
Oh yes, please, I do.
You should see me.
Should I do my hand like this?
Yeah. Your head is aching you. No, it's not there. This one you put. My head is aching you. Yes. Make this hand fly. Yes. Don't be afraid to put on your head. Put it.
Because of my edges.
Yes. Oh, my head is aching me. Say it.
Oh, my head is aching.
Will you keep quiet?
Duh. She said I should say duh. Anyways, guys. Hi guys, this is something new. I think this is my first time doing my intro with my full face done, and yes, I like the vibe. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. So guys, today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to achieve a smoky eyeshadow look. I'm doing this because I feel like I've seen a lot of makeup and a lot of smoky eye looks that looks really messy, and then you have issues using the black eyeshadow because you know black is like really dark, and then if you make a mistake you just probably look like somebody from a scary movie. So I'm going to be showing you how to not look like a scary person. Yes, that's it. A quick disclaimer is the background noise, and yeah, it's really annoying. There's no light, so I have to use my generator. So bear with me, headphone users, and just focus on this look. Thank you. First things first, I'm just going to be moisturizing, which you already know I do this always. I can't miss it. It's the first step. So I'm going to be doing that real quick, and I'm going to be back with my foundation and my concealer and my full face done apart from my shadow. So yeah. So yes, I'm baking, my brows are in, and I'm just going to go straight to the eyeshadow look now. And this is Beautify Cosmetics. That's the name. There's nothing on the top here, so I guess I'm just going to work with this name here, Beautify Cosmetics. That's the palette I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to be showing you what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and it comes in 2 layers. So we have 2 layers. And that's the black I'm going to be using right there. I'm going to be using this black right here. Yeah, that's about that. So before you start with the application of your eyeshadow, I mean that's the dark eyeshadow, you want to like check if your eyelid is like not tacky. I mean it's still kind of gluey. So I'm just going to add some powder in there just to make sure it is like really dry and not tacky, so that once I place my black eyeshadow on it, it stays. So what I'm going to be doing now is take some powder, and little powder, just very little, and just dab it in right here. So I have that dry surface, that's concealer free surface for the black eyeshadow. I mean you can do it any other way, but I just find it easier to do it this way. So you just dab it in there like so, and yes, so you can see the difference. This still looks shiny and this looks dry or matte. This still looks like moist. So I'm just going to do that for the other eye, and here it goes right there. Just dab. Make sure you dab in. So dab. So now I'm going to go in with my black eyeshadow, and make sure you're not taking a lot, so that once you place on your eyelid it stays and it's not dropping on your face. Because when you use your brush to like pack a lot and then you put it on there, then it drops, then you have like smudges everywhere, and you wouldn't want that because it's black, and black is not easy to clean. So you can just take like a little blow and place it right here. You're just placing, you're not shading. Make sure you're placing is like making layers. So you keep placing right where you want it to be, and depending on the intensity of darkness you want, you can continue placing till you get that intensity. Do not shade, just dab like so. Do not shade, and right there, that's about it. And now I'm just going to go in with a clean brush, no eyeshadow whatsoever. It's clean, no eyeshadow, and I'm just going to use that to blend the top of my lids. Okay, just blend it in like that, so you get rid of the sharp lines. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, you don't need to do much, because by the time you start doing much, then you miss it, and then you make mistakes, and then you can't go back because you already have your face done, and now the eyeshadow is messing up. So basically, just to make sure that you go in with like little black eyeshadow, then you set it in the areas where you want it to be, preferably below your crease. I mean, do not let it get to your crease. Like, that is my crease right there. So the other thing you're going to be doing is blending it all up, like just blending it in, and that's what I've done with a clean brush. So you just blend it in, and then you're done. Simple, easy peasy. Yeah. So I'm just going to do that for the other eye, and I'll be right back. So guys, this is what a simple smoky eyes look like. I didn't do so much. I used just one color, that is the black eyeshadow, and yeah, I'm done. So I'm just going to wrap this look up, and I'll be right back. Peace. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you get something out of it, and you can achieve that smoky eyes you've been looking for. So yes, till next time, bye.